Here when we're trashing the pools, we've got raccoons coming down here and lapping them up. Like some raccoon tracks right here. Nice one with claws. Ooh, this looks interesting up here. We've got a spot. Okay, looks like we've got a cave salamander larva here, probably. Right. Sitting there. Running. This one's not in a hurry to go under. That's good. Ooh, fast. A few weeks ago, I performed a salamander rescue on one of these pools when we had that real dry spell. There was a pool and they were very obviously stressed and it was going to dry up that night. So I got them all in a bucket with some water and I took them over to one of those deeper places and dumped them in, you know.
Yeah.
Doing my part to mess up the ecology, so
there you go.
Whatever.
But I'm sure they were happy.
Well, yeah, they got to live another day. Lots of isopods and other tiny, you can just see all that, or amphipods, excuse me, and tiny, probably shrimp. These are, I should say isopods. Technically they're not shrimp, but they are shrimp-like. We may even see them doing their little side swimming. Now, back in the winter they were much larger, and I read about these, and there were more adults around then, and now you have mostly the younger generation, so they're quite tiny.